In this video, I'm going to show you how to bleed the clutch fluid the easy way, because to do it the right way, you have to split the transmission, and it's like a 8-hour job. You might as well do it while you're replacing the clutch. So if you just want to freshen up your clutch fluid, stick around to the end of the video and I'll teach you how to do it. Make sure you smash the subscribe button if you get some knowledge out of this. And I'm going to be doing 4 flush cycles to show you how the brake fluid goes from black to a little dirtier to cleaner to basically brand new. So what you're going to need for this job is you're going to need like a syringe or a turkey baster. You can get these for like $5 at Harbor Freight. Then you're going to need some brake fluid. Make sure you go with the high quality one, like a racing one, so it doesn't boil. And make sure you get .4 and you'll be good. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to suck all this clutch fluid out with the turkey baster, but make sure you leave a little bit at the bottom so you don't create an air bubble. As you can see, that is very dirty. Make sure you don't get any of this on your paint because it could eat through your paint. This stuff's very corrosive. So now that we drained most of the old brake fluid out, clutch fluid, we're going to fill it back up. So now that we got the slave cylinder on the clutch topped off with new .4 racing brake fluid, we're gonna go inside the car and we're gonna pump the clutch pedal probably like 50 times. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna cycle the fluid through the system, because we can't access the bleeder because the bleeder is in the transmission. You'd have to split the transmission case, and you might as well do that when you're doing a clutch. So you basically can't do it. It'd take like 8 hours. So this takes 20 minutes and you got pretty much new brake fluids. So let's begin pumping this clutch 50 times. So here's the results. There's the first one. Pretty dirty. Definitely needed it. That was what came out. That was the first flush. Got a little bit cleaner. Second flush, a little bit cleaner. And then by the third one, looked brand new again. Well, that's how you do that. If you guys even think this works and actually did something, let me know in the comments. Or if you got some knowledge out of this, smash that subscribe button. Peace.